Hello people, welcome to my channel The Parallel Universe. Today I'm gonna tell you how to perform the 2-cup manifestation method in just a minute. The very first thing you need to do is to get 2 empty glasses or cups. Then decide on a specific goal you wish to achieve and accomplish. After that, write down your current situation and your desired outcome on 2 pieces of paper. Stick both pieces of paper to each glass. Fill the glass with water that has your current situation. Then the last and the final step is to pour into desired outcome glass and then drink the water. You have successfully shifted to your higher self. Now go and share your results of your universal shift in the comments down below, and don't forget to like this video right now. And if you want to get more videos like this, then go and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates.